For this low temperature chamber, for the first time use, the customer needs to fill into new easy alcohol with 5 liters. The power supply for this low temperature chamber is one phase 220 voltage. So a power transformer is offered. The input power is 110 voltage. The output is 220 voltage. So this power is connected with your local 110 voltage, and this cable is connected with the output 220 voltage. For the pendulum lift up, for safety protection, here is an air cylinder. So the customer needs to prepare an air pump. For this chopping impact tester, the power supply is 3-phase 220 voltage. This is the main cable for this tester. It has 5 wires. This is 3 leaf lines. We have marked with UVW. And this one is for null line, and this one is earth line. Earth line is PE, and null line is marked with N. For this impact tester, the customer needs a self-prepare air pump. This is the air pipe to connect with your air source. This small motor is for rotate the belt. After sample break, the brake sample will be transformed along this belt. For the first time power on, you should check the pendulum, whether it lifts up anti-clockwise direction. If not that, you should quickly power off and adjust any two of the leaf line. When we deliver this tester, for these joints, we will take off. So when the customer receive it, the customer need to connect them again. For this hydraulic notch broaching machine, it needs to fill into new anti-wear hydraulic oil, like with the ISO VG46 and 20 liters. This is the filling mouth. The power supply for this notch broaching machine is 3-phase 220 voltage. The cable has 4 wires, 3 leaf lines, and 1 earth line. We have marked UVW as 3 leaf line, and this PE is earth line. And for the first time, after you power connected, first open oil pump and check whether the knife goes up. If not goes up, quickly power off and adjust any two of the leaf line to adjust the phase order. The correct is press oil pump and click cut lifting. The knife will auto rise. Okay.